Hey everyone, are you over 40 and eager to build strength and vitality? Today, we're showcasing the best of the best exercises for each muscle group specifically designed for men like you. These powerhouse moves will help you maximize muscle growth and enhance your overall health. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the biceps, the barbell bicep curl. This classic exercise is a staple for a reason. Unlike other bicep exercises, the barbell curl allows you to lift heavier weights, effectively targeting both the bicep brachii and the forearms. It promotes muscle growth by engaging multiple muscle fibers, leading to increased strength and size. Plus, it helps improve grip strength, which is crucial as we age. Incorporating barbell curls into your routine will not only enhance your bicep definition, but also boost your overall arm strength. Next up, we have the French press with a barbell for the triceps. This exercise is fantastic for developing the triceps, which often get neglected. The French press not only targets all three heads of the triceps, but also engages your shoulders and core for stability. Compared to other tricep exercises, the French press allows for a greater range of motion, enhancing muscle activation. Strong triceps are essential for overall upper body strength, aiding in push-ups and bench presses, and giving your arms a more defined look. For the back, nothing beats the pull-up. This powerful compound movement is one of the best exercises for your back. It engages multiple muscle groups, including the lats, traps, and biceps, making it incredibly efficient. What sets the pull-up apart is its ability to build functional strength, important for daily activities and overall mobility. As you age, maintaining back strength is crucial for posture and preventing injury. If you struggle with pull-ups, start with assisted versions or negatives to build your strength over time. Now, let's talk about the chest with the incline press. This exercise targets the upper portion of the pectoral muscles, which is often overlooked in traditional flat presses. By focusing on the incline, you not only enhance your chest development, but also engage your shoulders and triceps. The incline press is particularly beneficial for men over 40 as it helps counteract the natural decline in muscle mass. Strong chest muscles contribute to better posture and support in various upper body movements, making them essential for a balanced physique. Moving on to the core, the plank is our go-to exercise. Unlike traditional sit-ups, the plank engages not just the abs, but also the entire core, including the obliques and lower back. This full-body isometric hold improves core stability, which is vital for overall strength and injury prevention. As we age, a strong core supports better balance and posture, reducing the risk of falls. Incorporate variations of the plank to keep your routine challenging and effective. For the calves, we have the calf raise. This exercise isolates the calf muscles, helping to develop strength and definition in your lower legs. Strong calves improve overall leg power and stability, which is important for activities like walking, running, and climbing stairs. Unlike other leg exercises, calf raises can be performed anywhere and can easily be adjusted for difficulty. Whether you do them standing or seated, calf raises are essential for maintaining lower body strength as you age. Finally, we can't forget about the squat for the quads. This foundational exercise is a powerhouse for building leg strength, targeting the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. The squat promotes functional fitness, making everyday tasks easier and safer. Compared to machines, squats require you to engage your core and maintain balance, which is critical for overall stability, especially as we age. Incorporating squats into your routine will not only enhance muscle growth, but also improve mobility and joint health. There you have it, the best of the best exercises for each muscle group tailored specifically for men over 40. Remember, consistency is key, and ensuring proper form is crucial to avoid injury. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more fitness tips, and let us know in the comments which exercise you're most excited to try. Keep pushing and stay strong.